Hi everybody, Happy New Year! Today is January 4, 2021. Today I'm going to show you how to do the homework. Most students, you wrote the homework here. So we have two homework parts today. And the first one, write complete sentences about Biden. So I will show you now, of course. Where do you find it? Of course, you find it in WhatsApp. So we can check here on my phone. Oops. So of course, when you open from Vic, right? Here it is. Watch this video. You are watching the video now. Good job. And write complete sentences about Joe Biden. Right here. So maybe open on your phone, open it bigger. Right? Here I'm going to open it bigger. Okay. So on paper, write 4 sentences. So you can see, for me, I wrote January 4, and then I'm writing, 5 sentences. Today I will show you 2 and you can finish. So number 1 is Joe Biden. Blank is Joe Biden. She is, he is, they are is, president is, white is, blue is. No, the best he is. He is Joe Biden. Right, so we look at the words up here. He, she, her, white, blue, brown, hand, and we write the answer. So here you can see I wrote the answer. He is Joe Biden. He. Right, the correct answer. He. Let's look at number 2. Number 2, hair is. So we are talking about Joe Biden. So he, hair is, his, we want to use his, okay. His hair is president, hand, white, blue, brown, white. His hair is white. Right? So I write, his hair is white. Okay, you finished 3, 4, 5. Be careful. His, he. Check all of your answers. Be careful. Okay, good luck. You can finish this. And for homework 2, right? Homework 2. For homework 2, of course, you're going to use page 4 and 5. So I show you 4 and 5. And circle. This is circle. Circle she, her, he, his, they, their on page 4 and 5. So I'm going to show you the example. Right? The one example here is his daughter Sam came 6 months ago. Okay? I can give you the secret. Page 4. There are 3 words that you should circle. Circle 3 words on page 4. And for page 5, I'm going to give you the clue. For page 5, you should circle 6 words. 6 words on page 5. But you finish, okay? Send me a photo when you finish. That's it. Today our homework's a little easy. Okay? Good luck. I'll see you Wednesday.